Good morning, everyone. I hope you are all doing okay and you are safe. And I just want to apologize for the background noise. Our neighbor has roosters, and it's actually already 9 o'clock in the morning, and I don't know why they are still doing that thing. So I apologize for that. But okay, so today I'm gonna try to copy Lily Collins' look and here. So yeah, so let's get started. So we are gonna use this Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Instant Retouch Primer. So this is actually new, and this is the first time I'm gonna use it. I'm actually excited to use this one. So it's actually a pump. It looks like this. Really, it actually feels different than Becca, but I think I like this better. I don't know, but we'll see. Okay, now we're gonna move on to our foundation. I am gonna use the Laneige CC Cushion. I actually like this kind of foundation because it's just like a cushion. This actually has a light coverage, you see, but I'm okay with it. Unless I have a lot of pimples, but fortunately my skin is okay, so a light coverage foundation is enough for me. Now for the eyebrows, I'm going to be using my Sipping Pretty palette and eyebrow brush. So I'm going to use the pencil, and I'm going to use the black shade from this palette. So let's do this. Okay, next is concealer. So I'm just gonna define the eyebrows with this concealer. So I'm using the Colourpop. Oh my gosh. Look what happened. Oh no, what is going on? Okay, it's a good thing I already have a backup concealer, the BYS All Day Concealer. Oh no, look! It's darker. Oh my god. I guess we'll have to make do. I'm just gonna line up the inner corner of the eyebrows. So I am gonna blend it up with this brush because it's really looking out of place. It's totally a different shade, like so dark. I think this is enough for the eyebrows. I'm gonna put on some concealer here. Yeah, I think the brush is better than the call it? Sponge? A beauty blender. Yeah. Okay, let's do the translucent powder. Just hope this helps lighten up the concealers. We will not be baking, so I'm just gonna powder this off. Brush this off. This one is okay. This one is not. Let's try to fix it. I hope this works. I think it's better. Eyeshadow primer as usual. Now let's do the eyes. So it looks like the crease has this orange pink tone to it, so I think what we are going to do is we are going to start with this one. So it's a bit orange. Then maybe let's add a bit of this one. And I'm gonna blend it. Now we're gonna do this gold glitter shade. We're gonna add the orange shade, the outer corner, then add a bit of the pink one, and then we're gonna blend it out. Now we are gonna put the pink one underneath. So I'm gonna add the orange. It's too pink. It's not blending well. Yeah, and then maybe let's add. Okay, so I'm gonna add more of the gold or yellow eyeliner. So it's just gonna be a very thin eyeliner. Very thin and simple eyeliner. So this doesn't have any ring, so thank God. Mascara. I'm gonna put on some lashes. Now let's put on highlighter on the eyes. So I'm using my Broken Becca highlighting powder. See, and I don't want to waste it, so I have to keep on using this. Now we are gonna contour using our Cocoa collection, the contour shade that they have. Okay, then let's contour our cheeks and our face. Next is blush. So we are gonna use light blush. We are still gonna use the pink shade, the blush one for the Cocoa collection, because I think this is the lightest one that I have. My other blush colors are like a little bit of brown. Yeah, so okay, and then let's highlight our cheekbones. And then let's do the lips. Okay, so for the lips we are gonna use this Too Faced melted call this metal like lipstick. So this actually has like the pink glittery shade. See, so it's so pink, and Lily Collins shade has like a red tint to it, so I am gonna add this lipstick from Laneige. This has like two shades of red, so I'm gonna use the one with the brighter red. So so I think this is the closest can get. This is not too pink anymore, so it has that red tint to it. Yeah. Okay, so now my as always, my Hourglass ambient lighting powder. So I always use this as my finishing powder whenever I put on makeup. And if I don't have any makeup on, I still use this like as a solo powder, just the powder, because it makes my face glow. So there you have it for your face.